All right, back again with the 1947 Westinghouse I just picked up today. I just did a first pass wipe down, just a quick cleanup of it. Got the door right there cleaned up. Like I said earlier, it's not in bad shape, needs a paint job. That's typical for these old 70-year-old refrigerators. Let's see. Inside come out really clean. The door cleaned up really good. There's the freezer, but everything looks pretty dang good to be 72 years old. Got good frost on it. And I bought this off Marketplace and for 65 bucks. They told me it wasn't running. The woman I bought it from, it belonged to her mother. It was her parents' very first refrigerator and ran all the way up to 1980 something, she said. And it's been sitting since 1980 something. And I bring it home, plug it up, and you can tell it's running really good. The woman also had the original, I guess one of the books that come with it from when she bought it brand new, which I thought was pretty cool. I think it's a recipe book from 1947. But I mean, everything's in, I would say, not far from being in new condition as far as the inside. But it cleaned up pretty good. Main thing was the inside. It has all the shelves, which is very uncommon. But she said her mother saved everything. Here's another look again. The old compressor. Still running after 72 years. I will be redoing the wiring and a new door gasket. Maybe a few other things. But that's about it for this one. See you later. Bye.